Fully automated production line for pet food cans, air washing and vacuum sealing. The air wash bottle cleaning machine automatically fits in empty cans and uses high pressure clean airflow to thoroughly clean the inside and outside of the cans, effectively removing dust, particles, and residual foreign matter. This non-contact cleaning method avoids secondary contamination and provides a clean source of cans for filling. After filling, the cans automatically enter the sealing station. The equipment performs a powerful vacuuming process while in a sealed state, effectively removing oxygen from the cans and creating a stable negative pressure environment. Then, a precise double-rolled seal is immediately completed. The vacuum environment inhibits microbial growth at the source, prevents cat food from oxidizing and spoiling, and significantly extends its shelf life. The two machines are automatically connected via a conveyor belt, operating in a fully automated manner from empty can cleaning to vacuum sealing.